Meaning of the term behavior. The term behavior is taken in its totality, connoting a wide and comprehensive meaning as detailed below. A. Any manifestation of life is activity, says Woodworth, I 948, and behavior is a collective name for these activities. Therefore, the term behavior includes all the motor or conative activities, like walking, swimming, dancing, etc., cognitive activities, like thinking, reasoning, imagining, etc., and affective activities, like feeling, happy, sad and angry, etc. B. It includes not only the conscious behavior and activities of the human mind but also the subconscious and unconscious. Consequently, it covers not only the overt behavior but also the covert behavior involving all the inner experiences and mental processes. C. It is not limited to the study of the human behavior. The behavior of the animals, insects, birds and even plants is also covered in the subject's psychology. Therefore, when we talk about the study of the behavior in psychology, we mean to study the behavior of all living organism in all walks of their life. In a nutshell, the term behavior refers to the entire life activities and experiences of all the living organisms.